Hello, I'm Jason, and welcome to Lifestyle Blinds. Bifolding doors are a fantastic way to bring the outside in and are a huge trend in the UK at the moment. Subsequently, a frequently asked question is, well, what blinds are best for bifolding doors? Well, there are lots of options, but one of our favorite solutions is roller blinds, be they cordless spring action roller blinds or motorized roller blinds. I'm here to explain to you the most simple way to measure for roller blinds for bifolding doors. Firstly, you need to check the following things. Firstly, your bifolding doors need to concertina open outwards into the garden, as our blinds are fitted inside the recess, and if the doors open inwards, they'll be obstructed by the blinds. Secondly, make sure there is at least 53mm clearance inside the recess, taking into account obstructions like door handles. The blinds need at least 53mm to be fitted comfortably inside the recess. Once you've ascertained that you have enough room for your blinds, you can proceed to measure the doors. With measuring the doors, you just need to determine if you want blinds of equal size or if you want blinds that are of different sizes. Also, you need to decide how many blinds you require. There is usually an obvious answer to these questions based on how many doors you have. Equal-sized blinds is what most people opt for. Measuring for equal-sized blinds is easy. Simply measure the full recess in millimeters and then divide by the number of blinds you require. For example, if you have a full recess side of 3000 millimeters and you want 3 blinds, you'll divide 3000 millimeters by 3, which leaves 3 blinds of 1000 millimeters each. We then ask you to knock off an extra 5 mils off each blind, so each blind you will order will be 995 millimeters wide. Then measure the drop of the recess, which is simply the drop from the top of the recess to the floor. We then ask you to order the blinds bracket to bracket, which means the width of each roller blind outside edge of bracket to outside edge of bracket will be 995 millimeters wide. Trust us, we have tried many methods of measuring, and this is the best one we've found. To measure for different sized blinds, you'll need to get yourself a pencil and place a small mark on the place where you want each bracket to be fitted. Then measure between these marks to give us the size of each blind you require. Then measure the drop of the recess, which is simply the drop from the top of the recess to the floor. We then ask you to order the blinds bracket to bracket. For printed measuring instructions, please see the measuring guides on our website. Also, be sure to drop us an email at sales@lifestyleblinds.com if you need any further information. Thanks so much for your time today. Bye-bye.